Oh, Jesus, look at that hill.
My name's Les, and this is my 2011 FJ Cruiser Ute conversion. What's so special about this Ute conversion is no one's ever done this to this configuration. So it's got a U-chop and a 300mm chassis extension. Tried to make it look as factory as possible. I can't wait for today because I haven't been down these parts for probably 20 years. So I'm actually looking forward to see how capable this car is. The only thing that concerns is I've taken a lot of weight off the back. Am I going to get a lot of wheel spin? I'm not sure. But we'll see how today goes and we'll go from there. I've had this dream for about 10 years. I thought, oh, no one's ever done one, and being in the industry, you know, everyone wants something different. So I thought, you know, why not an FJ? It's got the Hammer bull bar, custom bars because I wanted them nice and tight. The Dobinson's suspension, custom snorkel, the roof rack and the spotlight. Tray is Eureka trays. And the spare wheel is basically the bracket off the back door, but made it flat. So it's still got the original lock. Inside the cab, all the switches and everything still work. And it's got a long range fuel tank. So these things are a little bit thirsty. Alright guys, here we go. I haven't been down here for about 20 years. So it's good to come back down here with the FJ. These cars are very capable. Very capable. And now it's a Ute. It'll be interesting to see actually what it does. I'm enjoying it. I love full driving. I wish I could get a bit more of a chance to do some more. But yeah, but this car is, I love it. I love going full driving. Okay, turns left here, and then we go through a river crossing. Oh, very nice. So far, so good. Very capable. Nice. Okay, another river crossing. Oh, Jesus, look at that hill. Oh my God. Let's see how the FJ goes. Always worried about, because I cut the back off, would it be too light on the back and would just get wheel spin. But I think if you just take it easy. Wow, Jesus, man, this is serious. This is serious. Oh, sorry about that, but wow. Okay, here we go. This is nuts. And this is the. Okay, yeah, nice. Got the lockers in. Got the lockers in, it's doing it good. Easy, easy. And all the rock steps and the hills and the rocks and the climbs. No, I felt pretty comfortable actually after the first one. But yeah, I was pretty at ease. By the end of it, I thought, oh God, this is a very capable car. Thanks for being interested in my FJ. I know it's different. I love the car and I think a lot of other people love it too. So thanks very much.